AI.
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 With AI.
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 Android leverages machine learning, in short ML, to make your phone act smarter. ML analyzes data to learn and improve, like recommending music or optimizing battery life. This translates to helpful features in apps and throughout the system, even enhancing security with features like on-device facial recognition. In short, AI personalizes and streamlines your Android experience. For diving deeper into how Android incorporates AI, here's a breakdown across different aspects. App functionality. Pre-built solutions. The ML Kit provides pre-trained machine learning models for common tasks like object detection. Think finding that receipt in your photo gallery. Developers can easily integrate these features into their apps, saving them time and resources. For example, imagine a fitness app that leverages Android's ML Kit for object detection. It could use pose estimation to analyze your exercise form in real time, ensuring you perform exercises correctly and avoid injury. Custom machine learning. For more specialized tasks, developers can leverage tools like TensorFlow Lite to create custom models and incorporate them into their apps. This allows for highly unique functionalities tailored to specific app purposes. For example, a photography app might use TensorFlow Lite to create a unique AI model that enhances low-light photos or automatically adjusts colors based on the scene content. Personalization. Content recommendations. AI analyzes your app usage and searches to suggest content you might be interested in. This can be seen in music streaming services recommending new playlists or news apps suggesting articles based on your reading history. Example, the music streaming service Spotify uses AI to analyze your listening habits. It curates personalized playlists based on what you typically listen to and even explores genres you might enjoy based on your listening history. Smart Assistant and replies. Google Assistant utilizes AI to understand your voice commands and complete tasks or answer questions. Similarly, AI can suggest smart replies to messages, saving you time and effort when composing responses. For example, you activate Google Assistant with your voice and ask, "What restaurants are open nearby that have good vegetarian options?" Assistant uses AI to understand your natural language query, search relevant places, and provide options with user reviews to help you decide. Imagine Assistant suggesting a smart reply to a text like, "Sounds good? Thanks," based on the incoming message content. Device optimization. Battery management. AI can learn your usage patterns and optimize battery consumption by prioritizing background processes for frequently used apps. This ensures you get the most out of your phone's battery life. For example, Android can learn that you use social media apps heavily in the morning and prioritize those apps for background refresh during that time. This ensures those apps have the latest updates when you open them, while optimizing battery usage for less frequently used apps. Performance enhancement. On-device AI can handle tasks like image processing or speech recognition locally, reducing strain on the processor and improving overall device performance. For example, on-device AI can handle tasks like noise cancellation during phone calls. This reduces the workload on the central processor, allowing other apps to run smoother and improving overall phone performance. Security and privacy. On-device processing. With on-device AI, your data stays on your phone instead of being uploaded to the cloud for processing. This can be beneficial for privacy-sensitive tasks like facial recognition or fingerprint scanning. For example, Face Unlock on your Android phone utilizes on-device AI for facial recognition. A secure enclave on your phone's processor stores your facial data and performs the recognition process entirely on the device, keeping your biometric information private. Threat detection. AI can be used to identify and prevent security threats on your device by analyzing app behavior and network activity. For example, AI can be used to analyze app behavior and network traffic on your phone. If an app exhibits suspicious activity that might indicate malware, the AI can notify you or even take steps to quarantine the app to protect your device. Real-life examples. While all Android phones running Android 13 or later have access to the core AI features and functionalities, how manufacturers implement and utilize them can vary depending on the specific phone model and the manufacturer's customizations. Here are some examples of it. Google Pixel. 1. Google Pixels are known for their cutting-edge AI integration. 2. Pixel phones leverage Google's Tensor Processing Unit, in short TPU, for on-device AI processing, which offers faster performance and improved battery efficiency for AI tasks. 3. Features like Magic Eraser in Google Photos use AI to remove unwanted objects from your pictures. 4. Live Translate utilizes on-device AI for real-time translation during face-to-face conversations. Samsung Galaxy. 1. Samsung's Galaxy line utilizes its Bixby virtual assistant, which leverages AI for voice commands, scene recognition, to optimize camera settings and Bixby routines automating tasks based on your habits. 2. Samsung offers features like Object Eraser in their Gallery app, similar to Pixel's Magic Eraser, powered by AI. Many other Android phone makers like OnePlus, Oppo, and Xiaomi are also incorporating AI features into their phones. These features can include AI-powered beautification modes in camera apps, smart assistant functionalities, and AI-driven optimizations for battery and performance. It's important to note that specific functionalities and how AI is implemented can vary depending on the phone model, manufacturer customizations, and the version of Android the phone runs. Overall, AI integration in Android is multifaceted. It empowers developers to build more intelligent apps, personalizes your user experience, optimizes device performance, and even enhances security. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced features and functionalities seamlessly integrated into the Android experience. That brings us to the end. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to know how the world is changing with the advent of AI, subscribe AI Surge for more exclusive content. And for more daily AI updates, visit our website aisurge.net. Thank you very much.